What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, we have seen some really nice price action when it comes to not only Shiba Inu but the broader cryptocurrency market. We are going to get into why this is so important, so vital when it comes to Shiba Inu, and why ShibaSwap is really going to take us to the next level. And I truly believe ShibaSwap is going to be one of the number one decentralized exchanges in the whole crypto market, and we can see it being built right before our eyes. So folks, if you are new around here, I ask that you please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, throw a like on this video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and throw a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions about what is going on today with Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency that you are in. And of course, folks, this video is brought to you by Webull. First link in the description below is my Webull affiliate link. When you use my affiliate link and deposit just $5, folks, $5, nothing more, nothing less, you can get yourself 2 free stocks valued all the way up to $2,300. The minimum you are going to get for those 2 free stocks is around $11. So that is a great ROI. So please go ahead and take advantage of this Webull promotion, as it only is going to last through the end of this month. Folks, Shiba Inu, on the day we are actually looking quite good. And even in the last hour, a couple hours or so, we've actually seen some relatively nice price action. We are sitting here at around 65.82. It's bumped around, saw 66-ish, but we are looking quite well on the 1 day chart. Always like to see it. Even before this run up, we weren't looking too bad. You always love to see the green days, and of course it's going to be those incremental changes that are really going to get us back to all-time highs. I don't think this thing is going to go absolutely insane overnight. I think it's going to be a slow gradual rise. We've talked about this. As we start doing well on the day, as we start seeing green weeks and green months, those are going to come together incrementally to give us a really nice, strong price action upwards. And this is exactly what we've been waiting for. These small victories on the day that make the price action look good. Now, of course, when it comes to Shiba Inu, this is a cryptocurrency, and as with cryptocurrencies, we can't just look at one token. We have to look at the broader cryptocurrency market. That is always the first thing I do, regardless of how we're moving. If we're moving down, sideways, or upwards, I always look at the broader cryptocurrency market, and we see here some of these top dogs also doing well on the day. Of course, Bitcoin now sitting at a very comfortable 43K. You love to see it. Ethereum trying to get back to that 3K mark. It might have already touched it. I haven't looked at the price action specifically for Ethereum, but this is looking quite good. Obviously, Ethereum very, very bullish on the 7 day chart, and has been doing well for quite some time now due to that hard fork. BNB not far behind. ADA also doing well on the day. Even the likes of Dogecoin, which we talk not so much about on this channel, but of course has a lot of hype and momentum, doing well on the day. Polkadot doing very well, Uniswap, and so on and so forth. When it comes to Shiba Inu, it is no different. We've seen that it's been doing really well on the day, back up to 66 now, as you see here. It's very nice to see, again, like I said, that we're doing well on the day. So this is a broader cryptocurrency thing, folks. We talked a lot about in previous videos how Shiba Inu hasn't really been following the broader cryptocurrency market very closely. But as you see here, as sentiments start coming back into the crypto market, it is very nice to see that some of those sentiments are also being spread on Shiba Inu as well. We talked a lot about how Shiba Inu is in this limbo right now, and how it is trying to stamp its way through the crypto market and really become one of those legitimate tokens, like me and you know it is, or you and I should say. You and I know that this thing is legitimate, but of course we are trying to convince other people that this thing is the real deal. Speaking of which, we have to take a look at not only Shiba Inu's price, but I also very quickly want to talk about Bone ShibaSwap, or just simply known as Bone within the ecosystem. As this loads up here, we want to talk about Bone because this is the token that was a part of Ryoshi's big vision for the ecosystem. This was the token that is all going to be all about governance. It looks like in order to have proposals within the ecosystem, you are going to need 30,000 Bone tokens, which is quite a hefty number. I don't have anywhere near there, I'll be the first to admit. But in terms of governance, it looks like in order to have voting power, it's going to be based off of the percentage of Bone in the in circulation. At least that's what I believe it's going to be. But in order to propose, you're going to need that 30,000. So Bone, in terms of the price action, again, we haven't seen a whole lot. We did see very, very low lows here at $1 and around 80 cents. Since then, we have had slight recovery. It's hovering in the twos now, but I really feel like we really need to keep our eye on Bone. Obviously, Shiba Inu, that is the mother of the ecosystem, but taking a very close look at Bone, making sure that you are paying attention to this token, because in my opinion, this is the one that has quite a lot of potential in the short term and in the long term. But I think Shiba Inu, obviously, that's the one that we're trying to get on the map. But Bone is the coin that's in its infancy, or the token that's more in its infancy, so definitely has a little bit more upside potential in terms of where it's sitting at right now compared to where it could be. Remember that we have ended the liquidity event now, but there are still more Bone tokens coming into circulation through digging, through burying, etc. So keep an eye on Bone, most definitely. Obviously, you guys know I'm a big fan of Shiba Inu. That is my #1 token holding right now as of this moment. But I really like Bone as well, and I've been taking a close look at Bone, and of course got to show some love to Leash as well, because that market cap is very low relative to Shiba Inu. And speaking of Bone, we have to talk about this announcement that came out as a part of our plan to incentivize more liquidity providers to join SHIBASWAP. From now on, those who dig Zig Ethereum pair will be able to Woof returns in Zig and Bone with 20 allocation points. And of course, you can also hashtag use SHIBASWAP to trade Zig with us. Guys, right in front of our eyes, we are seeing SHIBASWAP becoming one of these decentralized exchanges that these tokens want to be a part of. The APR/APY for the Zig ETH Zig combination or pool is very high right now. Even though it only has 20 allocation points, it's high because not a lot of people are using it. Last I checked, it was actually the highest on SHIBASWAP, interestingly enough. It started out at around 1,000% or something like that. I think it's come back down to earth at around 300% now, but still very interesting to see. And even more interesting to see, and you see Shytoshi even tweeting here about it, this is huge. 2 returns for digging tokens on SHIBASWAP. And I think in the future we might see a little bit more of this, where if you dig one combination, you get both Bone and that other token. So right before our eyes, folks. I mean, SHIBASWAP, this is so early on. You got to remember that this is a decentralized exchange, but we're still in its infancy. And that's why I truly believe that tokens in the ecosystem, Shiba Inu, Leash, Bone, these 3 tokens really have a lot of upside potential, because people are not yet recognizing just how strong of an ecosystem we really have built here through the leadership of Shytoshi and the development team. Of course, got to give props where props is due. So very interesting things to come. And I think as the market starts recognizing just how legitimate of a token we are, now we're bumping up to 67. As the market starts realizing just how much of a legitimate token we are, people are going to come flocking in numbers to this token. Of course, folks, these are just my opinions. I could be wrong about this, but that is just what I feel and my opinion is about this token. You guys know I wholeheartedly believe that we are still very early when it comes to Shiba Inu, and we are just getting started in terms of where I think this token is going to go in the future. Folks, that is all I have for you guys today in today's video. Obviously, not a lot of updates when it comes to Shiba Inu specifically, but I always want to keep and make sure that you guys know how high my conviction is. And of course, I have to give you guys daily updates so that you guys can just see just how much I love this token and the whole ecosystem, and why I always think that we are going to go to higher highs and higher lows in the future. Folks, thank you guys so much for watching all the way through. Of course, the best way you can support this channel is that Webull affiliate link in the description below. Thank you guys so much once again. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene, folks. Peace.